Hey there, Happy New Year, Happy 2022. This is now the beginning of the year, it's winter, it's cold, and here I have a story for you, which is about Frostbite. Now, do you know what Frostbite is? If you don't, I'm sure you're eager to find out. So, have a look at this story, and I hope you will like it. Here's a story about a hard time in the mountains. Here we have Jack and Luke. They're climbing the mountains. Jack says, "We're out on a limb, Luke. We're not gonna make it." "What's eating you, Jack?" Luke asks. Out on a limb means in or into a risky or dangerous position or situation. To eat someone means to bother or annoy someone. "I feel numbness in my toes." You know what it means, frostbite. "It's no laughing matter." "What do we do?" Luke asks. Now, I feel numbness in my toes. Numbness is being unable to feel anything in a particular part of your body because of cold, injury, etc. Frostbite. Now, frostbite is a condition in which part of your body, like your fingers or toes, freezes or almost freezes. It's no laughing matter. Laughing matter, something not to be taken seriously. But this is no laughing matter, which means this situation is very serious. "Don't look at me. I have no idea." You must overcome the numbness. Maybe you should use bigger mountaineering boots with thicker socks. "Don't look at me. This means don't ask me for the answer. I don't know anything." You must overcome the numbness. Overcome means to successfully deal with or gain control of something difficult. Mountaineering boots. Mountaineering boots. These are boots used by mountain climbers, like these here. Remember that deep fissure in the ice? That's where I dropped my spare boots and socks. Can you make it to the top? It's pretty close. We'll make a campfire there and get warmer. Now, fissure. A fissure is a narrow opening or crack. My spare boots and socks. Spare means kept as something extra that can be used if it is needed. Campfire. It's a fire that is built outdoors at a camp or picnic area. Sounds good to me, Jack says. Good, and now that you know all the vocabulary, let's have a look at the story one more time. Frostbite. "We're out on a limb, Luke. We're not gonna make it." "What's eating you, Jack?" "I feel numbness in my toes." You know what it means, frostbite. It's no laughing matter. What do we do? "Don't look at me. I have no idea." You must overcome the numbness. Maybe you should use bigger mountaineering boots with thicker socks. Remember that deep fissure in the ice? That's where I dropped my spare boots and socks. Can you make it to the top? It's pretty close. We'll make a campfire there and get warmer. Sounds good to me. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.